morning.
Dear Minister of Finance, Mr. Gilles Roth, dear delegates and representatives of the ICMA Luxembourg members, dear representatives of all the other associations, dear invitees of the OLFY. We should keep record of 2024 as a year of extraordinary financial performance, especially by US stocks and crypto assets. While central bank rates have been cut, yield curves normalized in the second half of the year.
Some challenges remain unescapable in 25, with a growing economic uncertainty in Europe, with the possibility of a global trade war ignited by the Trump administration, and with the emerging growth of tokenization and artificial intelligence. All these trends will keep us busy in the new year.
Will keep us busy, you said, Yves. Who is us? What is ICMA?
The Swiss-based International Capital Markets Association has offices in 5 countries, celebrates its 55th birthday this year and currently has 625 members in 70 jurisdictions. The association has a strong regional structure, covering large parts of Europe, of the Middle East, Africa and Asia. The ICMA Luxembourg Region Committee represents one of the 16 regions of the association. Luxembourg has about 5% of the full members of ICMA with voting rights at the AGM. Isa, tell us a little bit more about ICMA's mission.
The mission of ICMA is to promote resilient, well-functioning, international and globally coherent cross-border debt securities markets, which are essential to found sustainable economic growth and development. ICMA has a focus on primary and secondary bond markets, on repo, on collateral management, on fintech and digitalization, fixed income asset management, as well as on sustainable finance. In the domain of green, social and sustainable bond labels, ICMA has built a strong presence. What is the Regionals Committee mission, Yves?
Quite simply put, the Regional Committee has the mission of ICMA's eyes and ears in the Grand Duchy. It helps to promote ICMA's standards of best practice related to debt securities and collateral management. It helps to organize networking opportunities for market participants to conference, seminars and roundtables. And it helps to foster dialogue between current and/or prospective members in the region, namely borrowers like the EIB and the ESM, intermediaries, investors, trading platforms like Luxembourg Stock Exchange, CSD like Clearstream, and law firms. Isa, what were our main achievements in 24?
Well, let me start with the first event, our main highlight, on September 9th, where the ICMA Regional Committee, together with the ICMA International Women's Network, organized a conference at Spurkis premises at 19 Liberté, dedicated to advancing gender equality. The first panel heralded the Luxembourg Women in Finance Charter as a key enabler to gender equality in the financial services sector. The second panel discussed the financing of social targets through private asset funds, both within the EU and within developing countries. The amounts dedicated to social goals, including gender equality, remain limited in contrast to other ESG goals. Beneath this major event, the committee held in the second quarter of 2024 a larger roundtable with the CEO of ICMA, Brian Pascu, to discuss the subjects that matter to the association.
Looking forward to see you on January 30th at the OLFY event, together with LFMA, ALRIM, CFA Society Luxembourg, Global Fund Risk and Luxipa. We wish you a Happy New Year from ICMA Luxembourg.
Happy new financial year to all of you.